If you're a student or early career researcher, here's the truth. Your title and abstract can make or break your paper. These two parts are the first and often the only things people read before deciding if your work is worth their time. So how do you make them count? Let us break down 12 expert-backed tips to make your title and abstract not just readable, but citable. Start early. Don't leave the title until the last minute. Start thinking about your title from the very first draft. It guides your focus and sets expectations. Brainstorm keywords and variations. List key terms from your study. Methods, populations, findings. Then mix and match to create several versions. Get feedback from peers and mentors. Be informative and indicative. Great titles tell us both what you did and what you found. For example, case-based learning improves recall. A randomized study. See that colon? It helps combine clarity and context. Put the most important words first. Imagine someone scanning through 100 titles on PubMed. They'll only catch the first few words. Make them count. Skip titles starting with randomized trial. Lead with the subject or finding. Refine at the end. While you should start thinking about your title early, finalize it last. Once your manuscript is done, you'll know what your message truly is, and your title should reflect that. Write an abstract that works. Wait until the end. Don't rush your abstract. Let your manuscript evolve first. Once it's complete, the abstract will practically write itself. Copy-paste from the full text as a starting point. Pull key sentences from your intro, methods, results, and discussion. Then trim, stitch, and smooth them into a short, coherent summary. Use a detailed structure even, if not required. Background, objective, methods, results, conclusion. Structured abstracts are clearer, more informative, and more useful. They're like a good movie trailer that actually shows you the plot, not just flashy scenes. Say exactly what you did. Be clear about your participants, methods, and comparisons. Don't waste space with vague jargon. If it was a focus group, say so. If you used thematic analysis, mention it. Say exactly what you found. Don't say significant improvement. Say retention scores increased from 65% to 81%, p-value equals 0.03. Numbers give weight. In qualitative work, list actual themes, not just that you found some. Tell readers what they can do with your findings. Your conclusion should be actionable. Tell us, how does this help us teach better, learn better, or treat patients better? Avoid vague promises. Be specific. Double-check consistency with the full text. Every number, conclusion, and method in your abstract must match the main paper. Exactly. Don't let copy-paste errors cost you credibility. To sum it up, your title is the hook. Your abstract is the pitch. If you get those right, more people will read, use, and cite your research. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe to JSTEAM,